TON, the open network. This coin has been on a tear, just showing all kinds of strength. No wonder it's one that I put on my radar. Just before Halloween, back in November, this thing was speaking to me, and I was trying to get the word out there. Not too many people paid attention to this video. Got 17 likes, 165 views, but now people were starting to listen, right? Because from those lows of $1.71 when I was talking about it, we've come up to almost $3 on TON. This is one that's still worth looking at, but is it time to buy it now, or can we get a better deal here in the near future? Road Dog Crypto. Welcome back to Road Dog Crypto. My name is Lane, your crypto road dog. Today we are talking about the open network TON. And if you guys are interested in me doing a fundamental analysis video on this, please leave a like and comment below asking for that. I would be happy to do it because this coin has a lot of very interesting technology and a very interesting roadmap and put out by some very, very good developers. So it's been on my radar for a while, and I've been trying to accumulate it in these lower zones. I just did not get enough in my bag. It traded between 174 and 184 for the longest, and I still didn't get the amount that I wanted. Still waiting for some lower levels there, which never came because this coin is strong. And it rose up to about $2.96. But the question is it a good time to buy right now? Because we can see we're on the 4-hour chart. Now, I like the 4-hour charts, especially for swing trading, taking some longer term trades. A lot of you guys are out there working 9-to-5s. It's really hard to be a day trader when you're trying to do that. And to be honest with you, the day trading doesn't pay off as good as a good swing trade, and most times anyway. Right now, the pattern that we're in is a symmetrical triangle. Now, if you've caught my training videos on this from the chart school, you know this is not really the favorite pattern for me. This one kind of trades like a rabbit that's running across the road. It is normally a continuation pattern, so we can expect it to possibly break out to the upside, but once it gets to its breakout point, there's no telling what it's going to do. A lot of times they like to fake us out, and really what these symmetrical triangle patterns do is just make a bigger trading range that it will trade in over an extended period of time, and that's what I'm expecting to happen here. And I'm hoping this will give us all a chance to accumulate this at lower levels so that we can take advantage of the future price action that this one has, because I think it's got a future. There are a few warning signs here telling me that we may get a break to the bottom. This pattern is more than 75% of the way full, and it looks like the breakout may occur to the downside. Just to give you a little forewarning, if it doesn't, it breaks to the upside, it can still come right back down to these lower prices. So just keep that in mind with this particular pattern. The first things you'd want to look at are your moving averages. Usually price will come back down and retest this 200-day moving average. So we're looking at a price somewhere around $2.07 if we can get lucky to put some levels in. The levels that I have marked out are actually Fibonacci levels where we are likely to retest to. There is also some confluence with the moving averages here that we see. So the prices that I would be looking at getting in on this coin, the very lowest, if we do trade sideways, do some kind of crazy stuff, the very lowest I can see us getting down to is probably about $1.83, $1.84. That would be an excellent place to pick this coin up. Also over here at just right at $2, $1.98 up to about $2.01, right through there would be a great place. And actually, I've got limit orders already set there. That's where I'm actually expecting this to eventually come back down and retest. There is also this wick over here, and that also makes a very good support resistance flip area. This is the main one that I'm looking at, $1.98. But on the way down, 206, 207 would be a good place. And of course, we've got 227 would be place maybe just to get your feet wet if you're just trying to jump in on this and stack your orders as it comes down, which is what I do a lot of times. A lot of people don't trade like that. Some people want to just wait for the bottom prices. It's all up to your strategy. I'm just trying to give you some points that you could possibly get in on this token. Going by our indicators here, we can see the stochastics are up toward the top. One good thing is that the momentum wave still looks good at the moment. It's probably some more upside there. Look at all the money flow, totally in the green. That's bullish. That's good. Stochastics will turn around at some point, and those will indicate our movements to some lower levels. But as I've said, this coin has been very resistant to falling. It's been really strong. RSI is coming in at 52 right now. That's bullish. It is above the yellow moving average, so that's a good sign. Currently, MACD is going to the upside, but man, it looks like it may be struggling a little bit, starting to get a little lighter here in the histogram, signaling that it may be getting ready to do a flip at some point to come back down to these lower levels. So those are some of the clues that we can realistically probably grab this coin at some of these lower levels. And the reason that I want to do that is because it's got some good take profit areas. Some of the more immediate ones that I'm seeing, and these are Fibonacci levels. This one comes up to the 100 1-to-1 move. Is basically the same height that it reached, right just under $3, about $2.96. I've also got this area right here at 327, And then again, right here, the 618 Fibonacci, we're looking for $3.67 possible. And that would be my long-term target, say holding this for a midterm hold, $3.67. Definitely a good opportunity if you can stack up this coin as we come back down to these $2 levels. When we hit up close to 4, if we can make it to 4, you could pull a moon bag, but nonetheless, you've still got some great profits there. If we pull a quick measured move up to there, you know, we could be looking at 85 cents if we can get in at $2 and get out at 367. If we got out at 325, that's still a 64% chance move. Even where we are right now to get to those levels, 30% profit, 46% profit. I like this coin. It's one that I want to continue adding and build into my bags. I've just been disappointed because I hadn't been able to catch those great prices I was shooting for over here. I missed that. But we got a second chance, and this is one that I see that has great potential in the future. Till next time, my name is Lane, your Crypto Road Dog. Hope this information's been helpful for you. If you can, hit that like button on your way out. It's greatly appreciated and helps the channel. Remember, it is a bear market, and it is tricky to trade right now, but it's a great time to be in crypto. Be blessed, be positive, and remember, you got this.
Some call him the Nostradamus of crypto. His jargon skills have discovered new entire galaxies. He once was engaged to Satoshi Nakamoto's oldest sister. He is the most interesting trader in the world. And today we ask him, what do you do when the market crashes?
I buy more. And I also subscribe to Road Dog Crypto. Trade wisely, my friends.